today let's start with chapter number 40, some great people. In this chapter, I will tell you about some great people like Mahatma Gandhi, your Rabindranath Tagore, Kalidas, and your Chakra. So let's study with the chapter now. So the biography is the story of someone's life. Biography क्या होती है? किसी भी जो हमारे मतलब अच्छे रूलर्स हैं या कुछ अच्छे लोग हैं हमारे एंशिएंट टाइम के, उनकी लाइफ के बारे में लिखा होता है, तो उसकी बायोग्राफी होती है. सो बायोग्राफीज ऑफ ग्रेट मैन एंड वुमेन ग्लोरीफाई द ग्रेट डीड्स एंड प्रोवाइड ग्रेट इंस्पिरेशन. Sacrifice what they did, what courage they did, what what commitment they did for the country. So India has produced countless men and women. So let's study one by one. First is Shushruta. He was a surgeon during the ancient time. He was called father of plastic surgery. He believed to have performed plastic surgery of the nose and ears too. He could remove cataracts by operating upon the eye of the patient even in those days. And lot of knowledge about medical plants he used for treatment of disease. And he wrote a book by him, that is Shishruta Samhita. Then we have Chakra. Charak, he was the son of the sages. He was born in 300 BC and he is considered to be the one of the greatest contributor in the development of medicine at ancient time. इन्होंने पुराने टाइम पे एशियन टाइम पे मेडिसिन का डेवलपमेंट करा था. He believed to be the more important to prevent disease than finding cure of them. He believed that one need to study all factors, चाहे वो environmental factors हों, right, which influence patient disease. Charak was the first physician to present the concept of digestion, and he studied human body and its various organs, and he wrote the Chak Samhita, a book about disease and their treatment. Then we have Kalidas. Mahakavi Kalidas was Sanskrit poet and dramatist during this period of Gupta dynasty. He was the court poet of Chandru. ये कोर्ट कौन थे? ये कोर्ट पोएट थे, and his famous work are Raghuvasha, Kumshabha, Meghdut, and Rituvarsha. And he is famous in India and abroad of his play Abhijan Sakuntalam, which has been translated into many Indian and foreign language. Then we have Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai was a queen of Jhansi. She was born in 1828 in Varanasi. She played an important role in revolt of 1857. And when the British forces attacked Jhansi, she led a troop and fought the British break. And her army was defeated and she had to escape from the city. Rani Lakshmi Bai and Tantia Tope combined their forces and they defeated the army of Maharaja of Gwalior. And Rani Lakshmi Bai was killed in 1858 while she was fighting at British Gwalior. Then we have Rabindranath Tagore. He was a great philosopher, poet, writer and musician. He believed that India could progress only through education. अगर आपको progress करना है इंडिया में, तो आप किससे कर सकते हो? खाली education से. So he opened a school in 1901 and called Santi Niketan, जिसे आज हम विश्व भारती यूनिवर्सिटी भी कहते हैं. Music, poetry, books were the important part of the life. And Rabindra Sangeet, the music of Tagore is very popular in India and abroad. Now Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a great journalist, Sanskrit scholar, mathematician and natural leader. The British called him father of Indian unrest. His slogan was Swaraj, self-rule is my birthright. And his book Gita Rahasya, which is the classical treatise of Gita in Marathi, he founded school and published newspaper. And he spent many years in a distant jail at Mandli in Buru. He died in 1920 and he remembered him as a Lion of India. इनको क्या बोला जाता है? Lion of India. ये क्या है? इंडिया के शेर है. Then we have Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi or Mohanchand Karamdas Gandhi was born in Porbandar in Gujarat. और कब born हुए थे? 2 October 1869. He was called father of nation. He studied law. Law की इन्होंने पढ़ाई करती London and become barrister, and he went to South Africa for an assignment. So many Indians also lived there. Indian and blacks were treated very badly. He was very disturbed to see it and he fought to their cause for more than 50 years. So what happened when Gandhiji came to India? He joined a struggle against the British rule, right? India, and he started many movements against the British and was sent to jail many times. He followed the principle of truth and non-violence in word and deed. And finally what happened? British had to bow and Indian become free in year 1947. इनको हम फादर ऑफ नेशन कहते हैं, राइट? एंड नाथूराम गॉडसे शॉट हिम डेड ऑन 30 जनवरी 1948 एंड गांधी जी की जो समाधि है वो आपकी कहाँ पे है? राजघाट. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on October 31st, 1807, a village of Gujarat. He played an important role in India's struggle for freedom. Right, एक इन्होंने important role play करा. He was called Iron Man of India because of his hard work and intelligence. Sardar Patel was a senior leader of Indian National Congress, and after independence, what happened? He became India's first deputy prime minister. India के पहले deputy prime minister ये बन. Right, this is all about it, this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.